What is up, y'all? It's favorite producer Ron. Got the recipe, and I'm back with a new series called Plugin Report Card, where I'll be grading new plugins and old plugins and telling you, should you buy them? Are they a pass or are they a fail? Here's how it works. The goal is for the plugin to score 50 points. 5 categories, you get 5 chances to score up to 10 points. So if you score 45 to 50, that's an A in my book. Go get the plugin, go check it out. It's a must-have. If you score 40 to 44, that's a solid B. You might not need it, but it is a good plugin. 30 to 39 is situational. You might need it, you might not need it. 20 to 29, don't get it, waste of time. And if you score below 20, it's trash. Don't waste your time on it. It is useless. Pretty much a hard fail in my book. At the end, we'll tally up on the points and see where it lands on the report card. And now that you know the rules, let's get into our plugin of the day, which is Excellent Audio's new DB-30 Drum Butter. Let's check it out. So I've got 2 different beats here. Then I've got some trap. All right, 2 different beats. We're gonna see how versatile is this plugin. So category number 1, sound quality. Let's see how it sounds. Let's see if we can get the drums to sound good. Let's turn on the low end. We got boom. I don't care for the space. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different compression types. We got a more knob where you can kind of, I guess, get bigger as you go. Let's just focus on boom, compression, and saturation. Let's check it out. I like that. Saturation, let's see what we got. I like the tape. I like the tape. The tape sounds good. All right, compression. No compression. Compression. Nice, we've got some attack and sustain to the bottom here. I like that. Really tight, really tight. Let's hear with the music now. All right, not bad. Let's turn it off. Yeah, that's the one for me. I'm gonna give this a 8. I'm gonna give this an 8, man, in sound quality. It is an effect, so there's no sound coming out, but I was easily able to get a good sound out of that really quickly. It actually did make the drums sound really good. And let's move on to category number 2, ease of use. Is it easy to use? Yes. One of the things that Excellent Audio does a great job at is putting everything right where you need it. You can see everything is color coded. You've got your presets right here. You can easily go back. You can save presets. Got a filter where we can cut, high pass. Very simple, just a slider. All right, no crazy EQ, just a slider that goes up and gives you the numbers as you go up. All the way to, what is this, 16,000? And the same thing on the other axis. That's cool. So if I wanted to boost, I could boost here too. Got an air knob here as well. I like the attack and the sustain. It gives me a much more tighter vibe. It's like super punchy, super punchy. Everything you need is right where you need it at. The UI is easy to look at. If you want to add more, you click more and you can. I'm gonna give easy use a 9. Everything's where you need to be at. The workflow is there. I can easily go in here and create something quickly. Give it a 9 in my book. Moving on to the next category, versatility. Now we know it sounds good on these drums. But can we do the same thing with trap drums? I'm gonna open up Drum Butter on my group. This is a no-brainer for this. Is it versatile? Yes, because we just went from more traditional sounding drums to trap drums, and let's hear it how it sounds before. After. That was so easy to do. What I like about this plugin so far is that it's not for one specific type of sound. You know what I mean? So now that I know it sounds good with the more traditional drums, it probably already sounds great with live drums. It probably sounds good with everything now. We've tried it on 2 different drum tracks, and I gotta tell you, I'm really impressed so far. So when it comes to versatility, I'm gonna give it a 9, man. I'm gonna give it a 9. Like, that was really easy to do. All right, next category, inspiration factor. Does this plugin inspire me? I'm gonna stay on these trap drums because I like how they sound right now. Now, there are some things in here that I haven't touched yet. Let's check this out. We got this color knob here. Oh, that stereo is crazy. I like that. Let's check out the shack. That's cool, that's cool. I can see this being like a dark trap beat, like low passing it in and then using Ableton to control these knobs to make all that work. Yeah, this is cool. It is inspiring because I could probably drop this on like piano or some organ or some Rhodes too and probably get a good sound out of it. Inspiration factor, I'm gonna give it an 8, solid, fire. Moving on to the last category. Value for the money. All right, so if you go to xlaudio.com, you can see Drum Butter DB-30 is priced at $129 or $9.99 for 13 months. I think just bite the bullet. If you got the bread, spend the $129. This is, in my opinion, and being totally honest, I think it's reasonably priced compared to other plugins that don't give you this much, don't make it this easy. You get the boom, the shack, the ship, the spaced, 6 different type of compressions, 6 different type of saturators. You got the more knob. Everything is right where you need it. You've also got all your presets, tons of presets to choose from. I mean, the possibilities really are endless if you want to get creative. This $129 price, I think, is pretty fair. And Excellent Audio usually makes updates to all their plugins, so I can see them making updates to this periodically in the future. So I'm gonna give value for the money an 8. Solid price, not too expensive. You're getting exactly what you pay for with this plugin. All right, so now it's time to tally up the points and see what the score is. Sound quality, we gave it an 8. Ease of use, we gave it a 9. Versatility, we gave it a 9. Inspiration factor, we gave it an 8. And value for the money, we gave it an 8. That comes out to a total of 42 points, and that comes out to a passing grade of a B. Pretty dang good. It is going to make your drums sound a lot better, whether you're using one-shots or drum loops. It will turn them drums up. You get a bunch of compressors, you get a bunch of saturators, tons of presets. It's easy to use. You can get a good sound out of it. A lot of value here. I would definitely pick this plugin up. And I wouldn't be wrong about the recipe if I didn't save you some cash on this plugin. So you can use my link in the description below to save yourself some money. It's all about savings in this economy. Anyway, y'all, that's my time. Thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all. I hope you learned something, and let me know what you thought about the first episode of Plugin Report Card. Leave me some feedback in the comments. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.